This is a drive-by tour of the Red House Sawmill, the spring of 2016 Friends of Allegany project. The park is already starting to do their end here. They've brush hogged around the building. They're starting to clean up the debris piles around it. We got our work cut out for us here. We got to replace the shingles, the shutters. Got to make sure there's no entry points. Porcupines have really made a mess of things inside here. Back here is the float pond where they'd float the logs up. That's in rough shape, caved in slightly on one wall. You have to cut all these weeds down. Put up some new fencing for safety's sake. And today's December 6, 2016. And you're looking at the Red House Lumber Mill Friends of Allegany project in the spring of 2016. Whip this baby back into shape here for tours, hopefully part of this 2016 season. Check out the Friends of Allegany at www.friendsofallegany.com or visit us on Facebook to keep in touch with future projects. This is going to be a great one, folks. Thanks, and have a great Allegany day. Bye now.